Hi parents, are you looking for new ideas to help your child practice math facts? Maybe the drill sheets just aren't working for you. Maybe you have some meltdowns, or maybe you just can't find the time to sit and practice with the flashcards, but you want to make sure that your child reaches math fact fluency. Today I'm going to share with you a review of an excellent app that I highly recommend that will help your child no matter what grade in school for practicing their math facts. Stick around. Hi, I'm Rebecca with the Parent Teacher Bridge, where you can find the ideas and resources you need to empower you to be your child's most influential teacher. Parents, you can make a difference in the life of your child in their experience with math. So many things build on each other in the area of math, and if your child learns their math facts, it's going to make things so much better on you than if they do not. So today I'm going to share with you my review of Teach Me Math Facts. We've used this app now for several years, and currently all three of my children are enjoying this app. So I'm going to share with you what I love about this app, and then at the end I'm going to actually show a demo where you can see how to work through some of the things on the app. So you're going to want to watch this video all the way through. Now before we get started, click like and subscribe so you can be notified each time I upload an educational video for your child. Number one, the first thing I love about Teach Me Math Facts is that you can create a profile for each and every child, and it will keep that data for you to look at later. I've even created profiles for friends that they've had over to visit and they want to try to play a game on it, or even some of my tutoring students. Now, if you stay around for the demo at the end, I'm going to show you how that you can do that. But I will say that you can upload a photo for each child on their profile settings. Number two, children are given timed tests that assess their skills. Well, that's diagnostic, right? Because it shows you what they know and what they don't know. But it can also show you whether or not they are used to being tested. So be gentle with certain children who may get anxious about time tests. Your child may need a little bit of practice or reminding before they get assessed with this time test, because they may get frustrated if they don't finish answering all of them. The ones that are not answered are counted incorrect. Now, when I opened a profile and I did an assessment on addition with twos, I got all of them right, and it automatically awarded me 12 coins that I can spend in the games and activities section. So that was great. So then the very next step it took me to was addition with threes. And on that try, I purposefully got some incorrect just to see, okay, what's going to happen. So again, if you don't finish all of them in the time test, which is only about a minute, then you will get those wrong. And then the practice it gives you will be over the ones that you got wrong. But still, by doing that practice, your child can still earn coins for doing the practice. They just won't earn them as quickly as if they had passed an entire quiz. When your child passes a quiz, depending on how well they pass it, they could be awarded a trophy, like a gold trophy or a bronze trophy. And that's going to be in their settings, and it's going to show you how many they've collected. So stick around for the demo. I'm going to show you how to do that. And you don't want to miss the demo, because I'm going to show you all of the fun things that your child can do. Number three, the third thing I like is that rewards are earned and then spent on really fun things, but then they have to be earned again. You know, I've tried out other apps that I've found that my children really liked. That wasn't the problem, finding something they liked. But it was that they still got to play even when all the rewards were never like spent and done. With this app, once they've spent these rewards, they have nothing left, no money left. They have to go back and do more practice if they want to earn more coins to spend. So I love that it has that. And I love that it has different types of activities that might suit different personalities of children. Now, here are some of the activities that your child might like to do. They get to purchase a fish, put it in an aquarium, buy food for it. They get to decorate a house on the outside and the inside. They get to play with some different shapes. They get to take a selfie and then purchase stickers to put on their selfie. They get to decorate a landscape. They may choose a desert landscape or an ocean landscape and then decorate that with stickers that they purchase also. So I'm going to show those for you on this demo. So I hope you've stuck with me this far. Let's go to the demo. All right, here we have Teach Me Math Facts, the home screen. And if you look down at the bottom, I have several profiles that I haven't taken up yet. And I just made one for myself. My children are in there somewhere too. But they have a settings section. Let's just go ahead and start with a profile that I already have up so you can see what it looks like. This is the achievement screen. You can see I've not earned any trophies here in the +4s. In the +3s, I've earned a trophy there. I've earned a trophy in the +2 section. Green checks would indicate that I got that correct. In the number 3 section, you can see how many I got correct as well. So let's go ahead and start with an assessment so you can see what happens. All right, here we go. So I click play and click on the screen. All right, get ready for a quiz. There's 13 questions in 1 minute.
Tap the start button.
And you can see you earn a gold, silver, or bronze. And here we go.
Ready? Begin.
You have to click the check when you are done with the answer. Your child may have to get used to how you enter in a 2-digit number, like 11 + 4. That would be 15, but you have to press the 1 first. So that may be something they have to get used to. And you may even have to open a profile and play just to show your child how much they have to offer.
You got 13. Correct. You earned a gold trophy in addition by 4s. You have graduated to addition by 5.
So this is the trophy room.
12.
I did a manual mode and I went ahead and skipped the 0s and the 1s. And these are all the coins that I've earned so far. And I purposefully earned these so I could show you how to spend them. Okay, so we're going to go back. And, okay, so I'm on my screen. I'm going to go play. And I'm in something called Teach Town. These are the different activities where I can spend my money. If I go to school, it has me practice my facts. If I go to neighborhood, I can choose a house that I want to decorate. Okay, so there's my son's house and there's my daughter's house. Let's see how they have that decorated on the inside.
Living room.
So he has purchased all of these things in his living room.
Bedroom.
And he put a bunk bed in his bedroom with a world map. And so let's try one. Okay, here's mine. And I'm going to put this kind of roof on it.
Different.
And I'm ready to purchase it.
That will be 2 coins.
Pay.
Thank you, and come back soon.
So you can also buy some things inside the house.
Tap the group to see those kinds of items.
Let's look
On an
at
item. Chimneys.
various chimneys you can add. I'm going to pay for that.
Thank you, and come back soon. Use one finger to move an item. Use two fingers to grow an item.
I'm going to put my chimney there. That looks funny. Okay, so let's go past the neighborhood to something else. Photo fun.
Photo booth. Photo booth lets you turn ordinary pictures into fun photos.
Okay, so look, that's a demo right there. You can see. Existing photo. Okay, so let's see. All right, here we
Tap on
go.
the shopping cart to add items to your picture.
Let's see what we can add. Let's pick some googly eyes.
Thank you, and come back soon. Use one finger to move an item. Use two fingers to grow an item. Use two fingers to turn an item.
There we go. Isn't that great? And we'll turn it. Okay, go back. And there I have my picture. I can add all sorts of things to it depending on how many coins that I have. The shape store.
Shape store. Swipe right and left to see different kinds of shapes that you can. Shapes.
Ooh, let's open it up and see what we got.
Use your finger to stretch your shape. Add shapes to your wrist so you can quickly find your favorites.
Oh, wow. So these are like the virtual shape bracelets you can get. Okay. Not my thing, but some kids might like it. Now, I did have a nephew who was obsessed with fish, so I could see him wanting to do something like this. Fish store.
Tap here.
I'm going to go to the shop, and I can buy a goldfish, blue goldfish. Let's do a pink one
Goldfish.
and buy it.
That will be 10 coins. Thank you, and come back soon. To put your new fish into the aquarium, drag it to one of these. Tap here to. Your fish food is empty. Your fish food.
So I'm going to buy some
Fish
food.
5 fish food pellets. Thank you, and come back soon. To feed your fish, drag the fish.
So that's a lot of fun. I like that. Then they have an art store. And this is where you can decorate a landscape. So let's say you have a kid that's really into space. And we want to put a little robot guy. Oh, he's...
Thank you, and come back soon.
Okay, so he was only 1 coin. That's cool.
Move your stickers, drag them around the screen.
And let's see, what else can I add? Let's do a rocket. Space shuttle.
That will be 1. Thank you, and come back soon.
This one, it doesn't let me get bigger, but I can put it flying off in the distance there. So anyway, I can see children with different personalities loving the. So did you see an activity that you think your child might like to try? I know that I have an 11-year-old son, and one of his favorites is taking the selfie picture and then adding all kinds of funny things to it. If he clicks on a hairstyle, he can adjust it so that it fits. You saw how I changed the eyes on my selfie, and it just causes a lot of laughter and fun when he's sitting there with his siblings or with a friend, and it's paying off his hard-earned money and his time practicing his math facts. Leave a comment below what you think your child would like about Teach Me Math Facts. Now, there's really only one con to this app, and that is there is no mixed review section. So if your child is practicing addition, they can only do add threes. They can't do add threes and add fours, or all of addition mixed together. And they can't mix addition and subtraction together. So that's one area that they've not improved in, but all of the pros kind of outweigh that. I have other ways that I can have my children practice mixed review. But when I want them to have targeted practice in a certain operation or a certain group of numbers, I use Teach Me Math Facts. I give them a time limit. They only have about 15 minutes at a time to do this because we share the iPad. I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever tried Teach Me Math Facts? What did you like about it? Do you think you will try Teach Me Math Facts? Leave a comment below. Now, don't forget to check out my 5 quick tips to immediately help your struggling reader. I'll leave the link in the description below. Check out the Parent Teacher Bridge on Facebook and Instagram. Remember, you are your child's most influential teacher.